In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the number field in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set one up, format it correctly, and start entering values with confidence. First, head to Airtable in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to store numeric data. Think about the kind of values you'll be tracking here. Things like quantities, totals, hours, or any figure you may want to sort, filter, or summarize later. Next, decide whether you want to add a brand new field or adjust an existing one. To add a new field, use the plus button at the far right of your columns. If you already have a column meant for numbers, but it's set as text, click its header and choose to edit its configuration. While you're here, give the field a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately understand what belongs there. Now, set the field type to number. This tells Airtable to only accept numeric entries, which helps prevent typos and ensures accurate calculations and summaries down the line. If you need a specific style such as currency or percent, Airtable offers dedicated field types. But for general numeric values, number is the right choice. Before you save, choose the number format and decimal options that match your data. You can set the precision to control how many decimal places are allowed, decide whether to show 1,000 separators for readability, and choose whether negative numbers should be permitted. Pick settings that reflect the real-world values you'll enter. For example, whole counts like items in stock usually don't need decimals, while measurements or rates often do. When your options look good, click Create Field if it's new, or Save if you're editing an existing one. Airtable will apply those rules instantly. Now click any cell in the number field to start entering data. Type the value, press Enter, and move down the column. If you paste a list of numbers, Airtable will validate them according to your format settings. Remember, blanks are different from zeros. Blanks mean no value, while 0 is a real number and will affect summaries. Finally, put your number field to work. Use it to store quantities, track totals, or serve as inputs for calculations. You can group by this field, sort from smallest to largest, and add summaries like sums and averages in your view footer. For more advanced scenarios, reference this number field in formula fields to roll up totals or compute rates. Keep units consistent and formatting stable so your data remains clean and reliable. That's it. Simple, precise, and ready for analysis.